Just say your name and what you do and why you're here. How did you hear about us?
I heard about this exciting course from social media. I really appreciated all preparation that has been done by Agnes from the very beginning. It's very professional. You were in contact with us. You built the trust from the very beginning.
Thank you.
Communication was perfect, and now it's time to enjoy it.
Good. So you're here to learn about the runway, build confidence?
About self-confidence, about runway, about posing, how to behave on the screen. So far I haven't done any movie screens and runway, something new. I had experience only with pictures, and now I want to take a step further in that direction.
So you're in the right. Can you more bring your shoulders? That's it. Try to grab it if you can. Can you feel this stretch here and aligned here? Can you feel that? Let me try to grab it. And then just shoulder width, legs apart. That's it. Try to bring it out a bit more. There, now make it more. Can you feel the stretch? You can. So this is how straight you have to be at all times when you're walking. So what we're going to do, the front pose and the facial expression and the confidence you're carrying. Remember, runway is about you. It's not about copying what others are doing. It's about showcasing the garments you're wearing and showing the confidence of who you are. Because you see all this craziness in the runway, we don't need to do that. You know that, right? Because for me, I believe runway is about showcasing what you're wearing in a very simple, elegant way. Everybody has different ways of doing it. We will work with what you have and what you have. Alright, so let me just give you the basic demonstration when we get on the runway. So we come, and your photographers are there. This is the money shot. This is where it's all about your facial expression, your body, your posture, your alignment, and just sheer confidence that oozes from you. I'm not going too fast?
No.
You understand what I'm saying?
Perfectly.
You understand what I'm saying? Perfect.
Ready to follow.
Perfect. Okay, let's roll our shoulders back. Grab both arms. Because what you see on the TV is totally different to our community, our runways, because they have cameras from every angle, so we have to pace ourselves because we want to make sure the photographer has enough shots of you on the runway, front of the runway, and then walking away. And of course the audience. This is about the audience. So really pay attention because you're literally performing. As soon as you get on the runway, you are performing. 1, 2, 3. Slightly cross for the women. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Step back, walk away.